Welcome back to Blind to Brows. Today's the day we finally see our couples reveal their brows to each other.
This is like going swimming on the first date without wearing waterproof makeup.
Theo proposed, and I want to make sure that my eyebrows are giving the first time he sees them.
I know that I can count on him just like my 0 to brow gel.
I'm nervous, I'm excited, but I'm ready.
It's time for our first look. Will the love grow thicker or will that attraction thin out?
Bobby and Sydney, are you ready to see your fiance's brows?
Yes.
Holy sh!
Your eyebrows are crazy.
This is literally why we're soulmates. They're like so defined.
Sydney's eyebrows have riz. I won.
Stop! Oh my god, Mama. How are they so perfect?
They're perfect for you, babe. You know, it wasn't hard to find somebody who was into me and into their brows.
His eyebrows are daddy. His brows and our love went from 0 to 100 real quick.
Sorry. Hi.
Hi, you look nice. Like,
Your eyebrows.
yours too? Yeah.